How to fix cashapp won't let me create an account. Well, this issue might arise due to the various reasons. The very first reason might be the server of the cashapp is down. In order to check it out, head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for cashapp status. Wait for a while for it to load. Head over to the very first site. So this is the official page to check the status of the cashapp. You need to make sure that everything is working. Now the next reason might be that you are not using the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, you need to head over to your app store. Here in the search bar, search for cashapp. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In that case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application cashapp. Now click on offload app. Once again click on offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also make your application run smoothly, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing in the app. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix cashapp won't let me create an account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.